A White House correspondent gets called on the carpet by the health secretary. Watch what happened when NBC News White House correspondent Chuck Todd sneezed during a White House briefing today and didn't follow the recommended protocol.
A senior administration official described it as a possible impediment to getting a deal.
I mean, what is that about?
I want to point out Margaret sneezed a few minutes ago. Very correctly, in the sleeve. I mean, it would be one thing if it was
I don't know. Who's got some Purell? Give that to Mr. Todd right away. A little hand sanitizer. Good. We'll have Elmo give Chuck a special briefing. We'll get Elmo over. Elmo knows how to sneeze.
You may remember the Muppet character Elmo is featured in a public service video on how to sneeze without spreading germs. You don't go like this. You go like this. Very important.